This is the mama dog. This is Diane and all her 7 beautiful puppies, right? Look at how gentle and sweet Diane is, and a beautiful girl the mama is. And look at all these puppies. Puppies, stop! And they're all very good playing with the big dogs. Not afraid of big dogs. Look at this. Hey, mama. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, Joey. So they're used to being around all the big dogs, and they're going to grow up to be wonderful dogs because, you know, they're socialized at a young age. Good with dogs, good with people. Oh, and very sweet. Yeah, you want this? Okay. And so, oh, look at that brindle one. Beautiful coloring. So half of them are black. 3 are black and 3 are brindle color, and 1 is black with brindle-like. Look at how beautiful they are. Oh my Lord, brindle coloring is coming out more and more. It's a nice brown color. And look at this little angel. Yeah, black with brindle feet, the little special girl. The smallest little girl, mommy's girl. This is mommy's girl. Let's go. Ooh, mama. Mommy's so happy to see our babies, huh? Ooh, look at this. Oh, kiss, kiss. Ooh, kiss, kiss. Ooh. Julie, it's okay. Ooh. Hey, you guys are all too sweet. I don't have enough hands. Oh, good Nikki. A good Nikki. Mama? Good mama. Really good mama. Okay, enough kisses. Enough kisses.